Money-making AdSense optimization tips and strategies. Hey there, my friends. If you think that you can get away with just adding large ad units on your site in order to make bank, you better think again. Without optimizing your efforts, you will find sooner than later how difficult it can be to monetize your website's content, even if you're getting thousands of visits a month. But optimization requires a lot of testing, and testing requires you to sacrifice performance for trial and error. To help you avoid that, we've decided to give you the best tips and tricks that will allow you to optimize AdSense from the get-go. Allow both text and image ads to appear on your site. AdSense gives you the choice to either allow only image ads or to allow both image and text ads to appear on your site. While it is true that image ads are more attractive in general, you will have a larger pool of advertisers bidding for your ad slots if you allow both types of ads on your property. Stick to standard ad units. AdSense will allow you to use over a dozen types of ad units, but you'll find that the best approach is to limit yourself to the most common type of ad units, including 300 by 250, 728 by 90, and 160 by 600. The reason why we recommend you to stick to these common sizes is that they're commonly used by most advertisers, and as such, you'll have access to a larger pool of advertisers bidding for ad space on your site. Supplement AdSense with a CPA network. AdSense lifted its 3 ad units per page limit, which means that you can now balance the number of ad units in your pages better. Now, a lot of marketers use the increased ad space to place more AdSense ads on the same page. But we have found that using one of your most visible ad slots to promote niche offers from a reputable CPA network such as Max Bounty can help you to easily supplement your site's earnings. Keep an eye on the relative positioning of your ad units. You can reserve space for ads on one advantageous placement such as above the fold and still miss lots of clicks. This is because certain ads perform better not because of their placement, but because of what they are next to. For example, a right-hand ad can perform better when placed below a custom search bar than when placed right below the header. It is not an advantageous placement by definition, but it visibly situates the ad right below an element that attracts clicks. Continually change the color combination in your ads. This is an optimization strategy that doesn't have a defined answer, but that is worth trying anyways. All you have to do is to change the color combination in your ads until you find the one that gives you the highest boost in clicks and earnings. Insert text ads in content. Inserting text ads in the middle of your content can increase their visibility and your click-through rates. This is because text ads in between content looks good and easily catches the attention of the reader without being intrusive. One of the subtlest ways to apply this strategy is by inserting text ads in between paragraphs. Insert above article banner text ads. Placing a rectangular text ad right between an article's headline and the first paragraph can increase its visibility among visitors starting to read your posts. Want to learn more awesome stuff that will help you win at the AdSense game? Then follow us to the next section.